Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. This is the high sugar diet workout to get shredded. So I'm going to walk you through a simple workout routine right here. You don't need any weights. It's going to be 3 moves. The only thing you'll need is a pull-up bar. And if you can't do pull-ups, you can get yourself a pull-up assist band. That's going to help assist with some of the weight. And if you don't have that, you can always go to your local gym and you can use a pull-up assist machine, some sort of machine. They usually have them at the gym where you can do pull-ups and it gives you weighted assistance. But work yourself up to doing regular pull-ups if you can. And we're gonna get started here. I did a warm-up. It's gonna be 3 moves. It's very simple. I'm gonna show you 1 round of this. And what you could do is, I'm gonna end up doing 3 rounds, but I'm just gonna show you 1. So we're gonna go through 1 round. It's a very quick and simple workout routine. Once you go through the round, you're gonna wanna rest about 3-4 minutes, have some recovery time before doing round 2 and then going on to round 3. So we just it's a triple set, bang, 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 get through the first round, and then do your rest in between rounds 1 and 2 and round 2 and 3. And then you can do 3 to 4 rounds, just depending on how much time you want to spend in the workout. All right, so we're gonna get started right here. The first move is gonna be pull-ups. So let's hit that. Make sure you warm up before this. All right, so in the first round, I did overhand pull-ups. In round 2, you can do chin-ups. So you can switch it up, switch the grip up, changes the workout a little bit. Okay, very short break on this one. We're gonna go straight to push-ups. So do what you can on this. If you're new to these exercises, you can always start on your knees. So here we go, we're gonna jump right into it. Yeah. Whew. Okay, not much break, so it's tough. Okay, third move, we're doing jump squats. So again, you don't need any weights on this. We're just squatting down, jumping up. If you're not ready for that, you don't need to jump, you can just squat. You can always grab a weight too and just do regular squats, but I like the workouts where you don't need any weights sometimes, most of the time. So that's what we're doing here. Just a few seconds and we're starting the next move. Here we go. There we go. That's one round. You gotta rest for a few minutes. After that, do 3 to 4 rounds. You do that 3 days a week. Woo! That's a good routine right there. You can also take more time in between the sets if you wanted to do it that way. So you do either way, where you do a triple set or a little more time between each set. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great day.